Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow microphone access in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your setting on your phone, scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for the Zoom Workplace. Tap on that. Now you will see a list of permissions. Make sure the switch next to the microphone is turned on. It should be green. If it's off, just tap the switch to turn it on. Next, go back and open the Zoom Workplace app. Join or start a meeting and check if your microphone is working. You can tap the unmute button at the bottom to turn your mic on in the meeting. If your mic still doesn't work, try restarting your iPhone or deleting and reinstalling the Zoom app. And that's it. You have now allowed microphone access for Zoom Workplace mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.